All right, guys, we got something special for you guys today. It's a 1998 Chevy 1500 K1500. I think it's a 5.9 or 5.7 liter. I'm not sure. But anyways, what we got done on it is got long tube headers there and there. Then we put on it two high flow cats there and there. Then we true dualed it right there. And you always want to cross them to equalize the back pressure. That's why we crossed them all the way back 2 1/4. Or sorry guys, not 2 1/4, it's too early in the morning. 2 1/2 all the way back and all the way back into 10-inch tips there and there. Guys, as you guys can see, it's true dualed all the way back. Long tube headers, high flow cats, 2 1/2-inch pipe into massive 10-inch tips. Right there. There they are. True dualed all the way. A massive rear end, massive front end. I think it's off of a bread truck. Massive wheels, 12-inch lift. He's still working on it. He just bought it. But he needed to get the exhaust done to make it sound right. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. It's a cold start. Sounds magnificent. It's loud. I don't know if we'll have a drive off of it for you guys or not. We'll try. He brought it on the trailer, so you might take it on the trailer. Sounds mean. It looks good too. I like it. Just sounds beast. Beast of a truck. Miniature monster truck. The beast is finally picked up. Good way to end the year with 20-inch tips.
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah, man. Oh, yeah. Hey, Appalachia's next. I got you, bro. Have a good one.